Rain and snow, earth wakes up, buds appear, life's cup, seed and food, a promise shown from the ground, blessings grown. God's word falls like gentle rain, washing souls, easing pain. Hearts awake, spirits rise, new life dawns in our eyes. Like rain to earth, His word takes root, spiritual growth bears lasting fruit, provision flows, love's gentle hand, blessing given across the land. Dry souls thirst for truth and grace. God's word answers, fills each space. Barren hearts begin to bloom, chasing shadows from every room. So let His word within us dwell, a living spring we know so well, nourishing spirits day by day, guiding our steps along the way. Like rain to earth, His word takes root, spiritual growth bears lasting fruit, provision flows, love's gentle hand, blessing given across the land. Oh, from heaven sent, a gift so pure, His word sustains, forever sure. Like fertile soil, we must receive the seeds of faith in which we believe. Like rain to earth, His word takes root, spiritual growth bears lasting fruit, provision grows, love's gentle flow, blessing given. Like rain to earth, His word, spiritual growth bears lasting fruit, provision flows, love's gentle hand, blessing given across the land. Across the land, His blessings flow, His word will grow, let everyone know. Like rain and snow, His love is true, new life abounds in all we do.